Hey everyone, I finally got my hands on the Revlon One Step Blow Dry Brush and I'm so excited to try it this wash day. So let's test it out on my hair. I have already shampooed, deep conditioned and detangled my hair. Also, I have applied a little bit of leave-in cream and kept my hair in these twists until I was ready to style. So I'm going to take down my first section. When blow drying my hair, I like to work in medium sections. My hair is still damp. It's not completely dry. Since this was my first time using this blow dry brush, I wanted to make sure that my hair was thoroughly detangled. Then I go in with my heat protectant and smooth it down the length of my hair. All of the products that I'm using, I will have linked in the description box for you guys. Once I've applied the heat protectant, I turn the blow dry brush on high and use the tension method as I'm moving the brush up and down the length of my hair. When blow drying my hair, I like to start off with the tension method first, just to stretch my hair a bit so that it's easier to run the brush through my hair without snagging or pulling it. Once my hair is stretched, I then put the setting on low and start at the ends and gently run the brush through my hair. So as you guys can see, the brush is just gliding through my hair with ease. Once I'm done, I twist it on up. So I'm going to do the same steps. So let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this brush and how it worked for you. Yet again, it just glides through my hair. I am in love with this brush, y'all. It used to take me so long to blow dry my hair using my old blow dryer, but this brush was so quick and easy to use. So I'm just taking down the back section to show you all how it looks. It's so soft, light and flowy. Love it. Now we have to finish the next side in 3, 2, 1. So I'm all done with blow drying, just giving you guys a quick length check. So I decided to put twists in my hair. You know your girl loves wearing her twists. They're easy to do and helps me to retain a lot of length. It's like the ultimate hair growth duo. Anyways, y'all, so I decided to use a new twisting cream this wash day. It was okay, I've had better, but it got the job done. So I'm just doing regular twists, nothing fancy. I didn't care that they weren't neat. I just wanted an easy style to put my hair away. So I get asked a lot of questions about my hair. I've been growing out my natural hair for almost 3 years. I did my big job back in September of 2020. Prior to that, my hair was already natural, but I had experienced horrible postpartum hair loss from my pregnancy with my last daughter. My hair was so damaged, it was always breaking, so I decided to chop it off and start my healthy hair journey over. My hair is low porosity, medium density. It's not super thick or very thin, it's right in the middle. After caring for my hair for almost 3 years, taking care of it got a lot easier. I was able to create a routine that works for my hair and it allows me to maintain the health of my hair very well. Now I'm going to oil my scalp with my Jamaican black castor oil and olive oil mixture and massage that in good. So these are my twists, nothing too fancy, something that's quick and easy to do for this wash day. So I'm all done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.